we have for int all this text. It's like I'm doing a school test all over again, like box IDs. Okay, so these are my box IDs. Okay, so I have a sort of an idea of what they are asking, but I find that it's poorly formatted. So how many is these? Can I see here? Okay, 26. So I have a type ID, which is a char. Is that a thing? Char. No, it's maroon, right? Can I do that? Language refs. Type declarations. Type spec. Identifier type. What is a type? Type name, type lit, type. Type lit, array type. An array type. Okay, so I need to change the order. This is never used, I suppose, to be the answer. And then I have my list of IDs. Which is just a array of ID. And I guess the problem now is that we are not using them. I can close this now. But let's use them. So just never mind that, or read file. And then we do buff. And then if else, just trim that, and then we can we say I suppose this will not like that because we cannot use that. Do we have a string? Strings. Can I get the read rune? Index rune. Oh no, that's not what I want. So let's create a new ID. Is there any point of even using that? Let's just go with string. Year is not used. Let's see. Year is not even relevant. Current year, blah blah blah. We don't use the year. Word problem stuff. Year is not a thing. Okay, so I have that. Let's see. Can go build. Access. Access is something. Can I run that? Oh. Yeah, so I do have a bunch of stuff. And then I need to count that shit for all of them. For ID and range IDs. Count twos. These. Twos. Map from room. Because I don't think you care, you're only supposed to count them. Four of them contain a letter which appear exactly twice. So here you have compared twice. So we have 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can only increment the count for each ID one time. Counting the number of IDs. It's really confusing to me. We don't actually care about the thing that we only use to. No, okay, so it doesn't matter if we count A several times, it's just whether or not for each individual IDs, then we don't care about that. Then those are just var twos, threes, can we sort a string maybe? Sort, is that a line? Strings, let's go back to sort. What types interface? Strings are sorted. Func string. That's not quite what I want to do. I want to sort runes. This is why I don't like go for this kind of problems. It's so low level comparatively. Int slice. Okay, do we have some other slices? Float slice, int slice, string slice. But that's for the entire string, right? String size. Yeah, I want it on the actual string, not the Okay, so string is implementing the compare interface, whatever that's called. Type interface. So basically what I want to do is do a sort, and then sort the ID. But I suppose that's not implemented, right? Cannot use type ID as type sort ID. Okay, so I have the index. I don't care about the index. I just want the value. Cannot use type string. Does not implement the interface, missing len. So can we implement that? So let's do this. And we need to implement len. 26. Yeah. Yes. Suppose that needs to have a reference. And then we have IDs being too many, return, blah, blah, blah. Cannot assign. Cannot assign to, why not? Can't you assign into, do I need to do boon? Then convert this, I don't know, can you convert that to boon? Is that a thing? Oh, then I need another. Choose, declare not use, blah, 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 sort. Can I just do that? Let's do blah, 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 sort use as a value, which is not. Go run, choose declare, blah, 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 blah. For IDs. Is that an actual error? Is it really? Let's do an empty. I don't see Bobo. Where is Bobo? Why can I not see that one? That's kind of concerning to me. Oh. Stupid. This one is outputting. Bobo. It seems to be sorting it. Okay, so let's assume that's working. Then we sort the ID. And then we basically just run through it. Let's go through each rune. And let's do look back. That. Look back one. And then we do look back two, look back one, commit that. That's gonna have all sorts of problems. I cannot use R type as type int. How do I say? Do R. What's the fuck? Okay, R2 declared not used. It is being used. That's not how we do it, is it? Why you don't look up? If R equals R1 and R1 equals R2, then please this equals 1. What we can do if R1, so this is the longest one, else if R equals R1, choose, but we can only do this for each ID. So 2 false, 3 false. True. I suppose you should not count the same. That's gonna be a bug. If 2, then 2 plus equals 1. If plus equals 1. Those are okay. I thought that was a Go thing. I don't know why. Can I just accept suggestion somewhere? Accept suggestion. Copy. No. Blah 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 blah. Export the type ID. That's just because it's a capital letter, but wow. To freeze. Don't count. I guess you shouldn't do that at least. Then let's just print F. Choose these. Let's do choose these. Part 1, choose phrase. But now I suppose, and then the checksum is to actually checksum is choose type phrase. So do that. Undefined twos. Okay, so that's the other way around. I should be correcting that. Checksum 9,000. It's a nice round number. But I do believe I'm gonna try that out, but I'm pretty sure that's the wrong answer. It's too high, yeah, because it's double counting here. So if I did count, then I need to clear them, right? That's what I need to do. But if I count it as a 2 first, then I need to consume that. So this would be some testing would be nice here. So the ace should be free, and then that should be 2, but what it will be is counting that as a 2, and that as a free, and then that is another 2. But let's say if we had that, then there shouldn't be any 2 at all. So maybe we should just count the run. That's what we should do instead. So let's do run instead and have that be 0. So run would be a consecutive run of same, and then I just need previous rune. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Previous rune. If this rune equals the previous rune, then run is bigger, and the previous rune is the rune. Yes, and what we do now is if we test for, yes, and in the else case, then if, so no, the current rune didn't match the last one, and then we actually check to see how long it was. Run equals free, then 3 is true, else if run equals 2, then 2 true is true, if 2 is free, I need to do that. So many problems. Go run. 2 freeze. Okay, that's interesting. But the previous 9,000 was too high, so this is definitely too high. So if we have AAABC, we start out with the rune being whatever that is. And I suppose the run need to be reset equals 0. And I suppose the first time around that will not be true. So increment. Okay, so I think we need to start run by 1. And then reset to 1 just for things to make sense. Just let's see where we. That's better. Run. Yes, you start looking at that, it doesn't match, then you look at that, that does match, then you increment, and then you check the next one. And now you increment again, and then you check the next one, that doesn't match, so this will go down here, and then run should be free because we start run 1, run 2, run 3. Then we don't increment it, so run is free is true. If we were at, say, that position, 1 would have been 2, then 2 is true, we reset that, go forward. And if the 2, if this ID had any 2, doesn't matter, so this still just increment the 2's 1 time, which as I read the problem, that's how I understood it. You should only increment it 1 time. Same for the freeze. And then the checksum is just to multiply those together, I think. Okay. So should we try out that answer? Okay. Whoops. What did I do? Did I paste the code? Okay, so you can't copy like that. Can you copy like that? Paste. You can't copy like that. That is not the right answer. That answer is too low. Okay, that's interesting. I suppose we could start out. So let's do this. So then it will always match. We can start that. Start to run at 0. Whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Let's do that. Run, we look at that one. Run is 0, but it is equal to the last one because it's identical. We increment that one, check the next. Also remember the previous one. Yes, that is true. Increment it. Blah, blah, blah. Check the next one. Increment it. Checks the next one. It is not the same. The run is now 3. We have 3. Also, if the run equals 2, we have a 2. Reset run to 0. Should I reset run to 0? No. So that's kind of, yeah. Maybe this one wasn't such a good idea, but whatever. You scan the candidate, counting the number that have an ID containing exactly 2 of any letter, and then separately counting those with exactly 3 of any letter. So if you have both, like this one, doesn't have that, but and contains 3 AM, but it only counts once. What? Should I try the sample input instead? Let's do a new file here. New file. And then we do the sample input. Copy that. Boom. And then will my 26 come back and bite me now? Yeah, so where do I have the 26? Let's just return the length. Okay, so this is not matching up. 4 of them contain a letter which appears exactly twice. I am saying that 3 of them does that. And 3 of them contains to have those 2 swapped around. If 2, 2, if 3, 2 3s. So what the fuck are they asking for? Counting the number. The number of what? A candidate box. What the fuck is that? Current location. So this is just blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. They'd be stored together, so the box IDs should be similar. Too bad it would take forever to search the warehouse with 2 similar box IDs. They walk too far away to hear anymore. Late at night, you sneak to the warehouse. Who knows what kind of paradoxes you could cause if you were discovered, and use your fancy wrist device to quickly scan every box and produce a list of the likely candidates. Okay, so my input is to make sure you didn't miss any, you scan the likely candidate boxes again. Counting the number. Counting the number that have an ID containing exactly 2 of any letter. That is kind of underspecified. And then separately counting those with exactly 3 of any letter. Okay, so let's go through their example. Contains no letters that appear exactly 2 or 3 times. Fair enough. A, B, B, A, A. So this one contains 2 and 3. 2 and 3, so it counts for both. Yes. That's what I'm doing. A, B, B, C, D, E contains 2. So this one should increment the 2s. A, B, C, C, D. That should increment the freeze. So now I have 2 of each, I think. A, D, D. That should increment the 2s 1 time. But it only counts once, so I guess that's 1 time, so I have 3 2s. And should increment the 2s again, so 4 2s. So that's yes, but this one, that's not what my thing counted. A, B, that is, should increment the freeze 1 time. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's what I'm trying to do. So I do have a bug somewhere, not just a misunderstanding. I have my sample input, appears to be the same. Blah, blah, blah. Sort, blah, blah, blah. Let's do some debugging here by printing the ID. Couldn't you just do that for me? Print. Let's convert that to a string. Not sure it could be that, but A, B, C, D, E. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm missing one of those. Doesn't read the last one because I'm using the. If I do that, will that work better? Nope. Well, it worked better, but didn't give me the correct answer. So the first one, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, 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 C. So I think run both. Okay, let's print that as well. Let's cut that. Let's go down here. Let's do that. Do that. Do. Let's remove that extra format. False, false, true, true. True, false. False, true. True. This one should be true. Okay, so I'm missing it when it's in the last position. This one should be true. Okay, yeah, so I'm missing the last position. Because I'm not checking the run. I need to check the run at the end here as well. This is dirty, but somebody's gotta do it. Boom, that's better. Okay, let's remove the bug statement. Let's remove that. Let's just check that it's doing that. And let's swap to the actual input. Let's run it. 8892. Let's try that. That is indeed the correct answer. I am very slow. Yeah, I want to be able to drag stuff around. It would be nice. Let's just move that down there. Blah blah blah. Okay, blah 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 blah. At the the same position. A strange way to formulate it. If an ID differ by one character, what the hell does it mean that they both differ by one character at the same position? Of course they do. If they differ, they differ. They don't differ. Okay. Let's just go through them again. So what we want to do is compare two so basically need to compare each ID by every other ID. So let's do that. They are few enough anyway, so. Let's do should we count the misses? And record the missed position. Okay, var. If okay, that's it for that. And then if then print everything except that one. Print that. Have a gap and print the rest of it. So print from 0 to the gap. I don't remember if these are inclusive or not. So I'm gonna find out. It's gonna take undefined k. Where's k undefined? It's equivalent. Okay, let's do the equivalent thing then. K is not undefined k 97. That's outside the scope, so I don't want to use. That's what I want to use. Let's run that. IJ declared and not used. Do I need them? No, I don't need them. I can say I instead. Let's see if I can do some. I don't know if we can do p find the rename symbol I. Okay, yeah, that didn't work. I. Part 2 if missiles equals 1. So I never find that. Okay, so what are the misses? misses are bigger than okay. Let's do this. If this is then do that. Otherwise, I don't care. Let's do that again. Let's go back to the sample input. So okay, so this is a different sample. Okay, and then let's also let's do, can I do that? Is that a thing? Will it convert it for me? No, it will not. Ooh. Set this 0. What I'm looking for is ABCDE with AXCYE. AX. I don't have AX. ACEXY because I sorted them. Okay, because I sorted them, let's just let's swap these around. Okay, boom, there it is. FGIJ, FG, yes, okay, let's remove that. Let's remove that part. Let's do string. Let's do that to indicate that it's missing. Is it missing? Okay, it's printing twice, but that doesn't matter. Okay, and then swap in the real input. Run that shit. And there I have something. Let's put that in there. Can't I just copy that shit? Let's see. Submit. What? What? God damn it. Let's do sample. Let's run that shit again. So my answer would have been FG. Oh, yeah, that's the inclusive thing. Beepity bop. FGIJ. Okay. The input. I'm not trying to demonstrate good software development practices or whatever. I'm just problem solving. So this is gonna complain that you're answering too soon, I'm assuming. Oh, you need to wait. Just save this out then. Come on. Can you do this to append strings? I don't remember. I don't think so. Let's just try and see what it says about that. Common declare and not used, and then do. Common letters are, and then let's do that. Yes, that's a gold star. Hooray, hooray. Whippy! This is so ugly though. 105 lines for this mess.